Hi, this is Alan from Alpus Group, and I'm going to wish you Happy New Year from the team here at Alpus. We're looking for lots of deals in the new year, particularly commercial to residential conversions, also land development deals, that's land either with or without planning permission. We can carry out joint ventures if you have a preference for doing that, if you're a landowner or landlord and have property which is suitable for development. And we're also in the market for properties suitable for holiday lets and serviced accommodation. So wishing you all the best for 2024. And also, if you're a property investor, you can talk to us because we have some great projects with great returns which may be of interest to you. So if you want to call me, that's Alan at Alpus Group on 07539 141257. That's +44 7539 141257 from outside the UK, or 0333 224 1257. That's +44 333 224 1257 from outside the UK. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can drop me an email at alan@alpusgroup.com. Cheers for now.